This video is brought to you by Van Tracker. Van Tracker is a remote automatic kill switch and GPS tracker with geofence movement detection, start detection, or door open detection. Go to thevantracker.com to learn about our 60-day money-back guarantee and 2 months of free cellular service. So, I got my hairdryer, screwed the screw in there a little bit, and now I got the vice grips on there. I'm just holding the hose and working it back and forth and pulling it out. That screw is probably in there to about there. It's probably an inch long screw, and it's working so far. Pulled it out 1/4 of an inch. Hey, so that actually worked. Obviously I plugged up the other lines while I was working on it, and I heated it, turned the blow dryer off, set it down, pulled it out, and I love vice grips, and quickly, while it was still warm, shoved it back onto this one, and I think it's going to be good. It went on there actually surprisingly easily. Just my other trick when I got this thing on here, we put the seal into the tank first, and then what I did was lots of motor oil on both the seal and the valve, and then I got my vice grips and spread them up pretty wide and got them on here like this into this top little dome part, and worked it in. Kind of worked it in that way. Oops. And I need to rotate it a little bit right now, and that's what I'm going to do again. Clamp it on there, like there, around that dome part, and just crank it about 5 or 10 degrees, whatever, counterclockwise. Get that hose to go around up in that corner more easily. So I had to drill this thing out to get it out of there, and the key is that it's up in there on that bolt, and what you want to do is you want to pull it down and then pull it out away from the wall, but the trick is that you got to get it up on that. That's not the right order of doing things. You have to, it's going to be stuck up in there in that little hole, whatever, and when it's in there, you're going to want to pull it out of the hole and then pull it down, even though your first instinct is probably to pull it down off the bolt and then away from the wall. That's not how you want to do it. So in reverse, put it around that bolt and then try to feel it and shove it up into that little hole up there. But either way, I had to drill that out. I think that was inevitable. I think it's expanded over time. Sorry it's zoomed in so far. My camera does stupid crap.